What if everything you need to reach enlightenment is already within you? What if the path to the highest consciousness doesn't require renunciation, but reception? Welcome to Tantra, one of the most misunderstood yet most powerful sciences in Indian spiritual tradition. Tantra Sastra, the discipline of Tantra, is about one thing: living in absolute harmony with existence. Tantra doesn't separate the body and the spirit, or the mundane and the divine. Instead, it teaches us to embrace everything: body, mind, emotions, work, play, devotion, all as sacred. Whether you are rich or poor, married or single, a student or a sage, Tantra offers a path that suits your nature. Because the goal is not to reject life. It is to live fully, freely, and naturally. Tantra is not bound by religion, caste, or creed. It is a universal system meant for anyone who is ready to explore the truth through their own experience. Tantra doesn't ask you to believe blindly. It says, be open, be curious, be like a child. It encourages you to be fully present in life, rather than escape from it. There is no other practice that accepts human beings in their totality, said Osho. Be empty, loose and natural. Osho. Tantra teaches you to go deep within, to the core of your own being. When you go beyond your thoughts, beyond your identity, you discover that you are not a someone at all. You are a nothingness, a hollow bamboo through which energy flows without resistance. This is where the divine enters. This is where enlightenment begins. In most spiritual systems, renunciation is glorified. You must leave your home, become a monk or a celibate. But Tantra says something revolutionary. You don't need to escape life to find the divine. The divine is already within you. The highest liberation in Tantra is to be perfectly natural. Loose, flowing, unresisting, like water. Not fighting your desires, but understanding and transforming them. Traditional doctrines say only the sannyasi, the renunciate, or the brahmachari, the celibate scholar, can attain moksha. But Tantra declares, there is nothing, no ritual, no rule, no renunciation that can block your path to Buddhahood. All you need is to look into your own center, the source of all energy, the seat of your own consciousness. Tantra is not about doing more. It's about being more, being present, being natural, being you. So the next time you hear the word Tantra, don't think of taboos. Think of truth. Think of transformation. This was part 1 of Tantra, Awakening Your Highest Consciousness. In part 2, we'll explore tantric practices, chakras, mantras, and how you can begin your journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VocabTales.